Welcome to California Upbeat, where we interview the executives and companies that are making a difference in today's challenging economy. I'm your host, Carl Street. Follow the money is usually a good strategy when looking for opportunities, but you need to be careful you are getting the straight story. So, when we learned of the sudden heavy investment being made in dental insurance in California, we contacted one of the top specialists in the field for their opinion. Is this a real opportunity? Judge for yourself from our interview. Today, we are interviewing Phil Toste, Senior Partner of Ancillary Markets, a San Jose-based wholesale insurance brokerage. Phil, can you tell our viewers a bit about Ancillary Markets and yourself?
Sure. Gary Smith and I have specialized in distributing small group dental products to the broker community for almost 2 decades.
Would it be safe to say that no one knows more about wholesale dental insurance here in California than you do?
Well, we're the only wholesaler in California that focuses exclusively on small group dental, and we think that we bring focus and expertise regarding small group dental to the broker community.
Phil, the reason we are interviewing you today is that we are picking up a lot of back-channel chatter regarding Dearborn National in the trade press. Is this just hype, or is there some real substance to this?
No, it's not hype. It's the fact that Dearborn National has entered the market, the dental coverage market, in a big way. And while brokers may be familiar with the Dearborn National's name from his years as a group life carrier, it is now expanding rapidly and aggressively into the dental markets on a national basis.
So they're becoming a significant player?
And they're becoming a significant player. And California is one of their target markets.
Candidly, would you say they're becoming a significant player, or that they are already a significant player?
They're becoming a significant player. They are a significant player in the Midwest, and they are rapidly expanding into target markets like California.
We hear a lot about size when it comes to Dearborn. At the risk of bringing down the house, let me ask you, does size matter?
Well, the size of the Dearborn network, both nationally and in California, means that there's a greater chance that an employer's clients will obtain their dental coverage in network, which means savings to the client, to the employer, and to Dearborn National.
Okay, I can see how size benefits the purchaser and end user, but what does it really mean to the broker?
Well, when a broker's in competition, one of the things that he's going to want to show is the number of providers in the network. And Dearborn National's network, both nationally and in California, is the largest. And that's going to allow him to provide a dental plan to his clients where there's a greater opportunity for the claimants to access dental care through a dentist who's in network.
So what you're saying is, if a broker were presenting a product and had to admit there was only a few participating dentists, it would have a negative impact on his sales opportunities?
It'd be very difficult to make that sale.
I can see where that would separate the men from the boys right there.
That would separate the plans they're going to buy from the plans they're not.
Okay.
Dearborn National, certainly, with the size of its network, is going to win those kind of comparisons.
Okay.
With any carrier out there.
Phil, besides just sheer size, what else are they doing to position themselves?
They're coming to the market with state-of-the-art plans, high benefit plans, competitive rates, and excellent customer service. And those are really the blocking and tackling of group dental.
Well, everyone claims excellent customer service. Could you be more specific?
Dearborn National has a centralized claims and customer service facility that's absolutely state-of-the-art.
What about their plan designs? Do they have any kind of an edge there?
Dearborn National's plan designs are what the market wants to buy. They're high benefit, in and out of network, dentist of choice plans that offer things like 90th percentile UCR and 2-year rate guarantee.
Sounds good, but does that mean they're only for those with expensive tastes and the budgets to match?
We've seen Dearborn National to be extremely competitive in the under 100 life market.
I know I'm asking you for an opinion here, but you have the experience to make a valid statement. Would you say they are being aggressive on the rate side as well?
Absolutely. Dearborn National is currently aggressive on the rate side. The rates are competitive, but they're certainly not cutting their own throats on them.
Do you see them as being able to sustain that rate philosophy?
I think that they wouldn't be here in the force and with the numbers that they are if they didn't intend to sustain it.
How important is dental insurance in today's market?
Polls consistently show dental is the second most requested employee benefit after medical.
So if a broker wants to establish themselves and maintain good client relations, having access to good dental plans is a must.
If a broker doesn't provide a group dental option to his clients, number one, he's leaving money on the table. And number two, he's exposing himself to other brokers who certainly will show dental plans to his client.
If a broker wants to enter the dental insurance market here in California or is faced with a competitive situation, what action should they take to work with Dearborn National?
They should contact Ancillary Markets, and we can get them a quote back very quickly, and we can help refine that quote to beat the competition and get the business.
So the fast track to working with Dearborn is to go through you rather than contact Dearborn directly.
That's correct.
If an insurance broker is interested in pursuing the dental insurance market here in California, coming to you would provide some very positive benefits. Would you say that's true?
I would say that's true. Our knowledge of dental plans is second to none, and we provide a broad range of dental options for a broker and his small group dental clients.
So by working with you, their sales administration workload is decreased?
We've been able to establish relationships with the departments at Dearborn National that we need to. That lets us manage the quote and the case submission and approval process, and that really lets us speed up those processes. In some cases, approvals are back in a couple of days.
So the broker can rely on you to be their squeaky wheel while they focus on the sales.
We see our role as taking the quoting and the case submission load off the broker so he can sell another one.
The theory sounds good. Has it actually worked in practice?
It's worked well. We're seeing the quotes come back much quicker, and we've seen case approvals come down significantly as well. Our process is designed to provide quotes and submission at a very rapid pace to get the broker what he needs to get the sale and to get the client what they need to put the plan in force.
California Upbeat is a production of Carl Street Programming, San Francisco.